Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the floating chlorinator with chemical guard glove, which means you can grab it like that, grab the chlorine tablet. So this was about $6.97 from Walmart right there. It's collapsible and all that stuff. I had this type before, this one, the green color, the wood. I had this type before. It's been 3 years old and I can't even find it anywhere. So I can't believe they're the same price. So with this particular one, which is this, we're gonna pull the thing outwards so that it will, this is with it collapsed, being collapsed. So right there, that's it, from Walmart, Mainstays. So it dispenses up to 3-inch, up to 3-inch or 30 pieces of the 1-inch chlorine tablet, which is this one. This is the 3-inch tablet. This is the 3-inch tablet. So this can take up to 3 of these, or the little tablets up to 30 of it. That's what it says here. And it says the lid includes built-in gloves for safe handling of chemical tablets, includes locking lid and adjustable chemical release, which is nice. That's what it is. And down here it says to pull the bottom part down, rotate the cap probably anti-clockwise. Here too, does the top part. Pull it out, pull it or pull it out. Put your tablet and then rotate it clockwise. Then it's closed. But this means it's closed, this means it's open. We're gonna see for sure. Over here, what do we have? It's collapsible, built-in child lock, adjustable dial, which is nice. You can adjust the dial, that's nice. Because I'm like, what if I don't want the whole thing dissolving like that? Tablets not included. I bought that separately. So that's what that looks like. Now let's check it out. So that's it. So I guess we'll pull this down. Like I said, this means it's opened. This means it's locked. Then turn this one anti-clockwise. They also have the direction for the turning. You have to push down and turn. Push down before it will let you turn because of the kids. That's it right there. And then I'll grab my chlorine tablets. Put it in. You can load up to 3 and then lock it right back. Just collapsible. So in this case, you can't lock this or anything. It just stays like that. But it's currently closed. So I'm going to open it. I don't want it pouring out too much so the tablet doesn't finish quickly since it's still a brand new pool. So I'm going to dial it just like that and watch it do its magic. Now let's go put it in the pool. At this point, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Ask your questions, comment, and share. Like I said, it's a brand new pool we installed yesterday, or we assembled yesterday. And it's a little green because of the rain. The rain fell inside. This is new water. Virgin water, has not been swimed on before. And there we go. collapses. Really cool. I'm so glad I got it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Whatever question you have, ask, and we'll try to figure it out and give you a reply. Thank you so much to our subscribers, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you. Okay, it's time to swim.